Hi everyone, it's Tammy and it's time for another video. This is an unboxing from the PoppyWillow company. This is a company that I am a PR gal for and my code is below, so use that and get 15% off. She has some sales sometimes, so do keep an eye out for that. But I am super excited about getting these kits. She is amazing. So I do get some things for being a PR gal, but then I also like to order some things myself because her stickers are amazing. And when I say that, I don't mean that like, you know, just haphazardly. I mean it for real. Her stickers are amazing. They are so beautiful and so pretty. You will love them. And I mean, look how, this is even cute. This is even foiled. And it's like, she just takes such good care of her customers. I just love her. And her business card is beautiful. It says beautifully designed foiled planner stickers and accessories. And scheme and new releases now exclusively at PoppyWillowCo.com. She has a brand new loyalty program. How cute. So check that out if you order from her. And again, use the code TT.Scraps. So she sent me some die cuts that are just beautiful. This says, love this, which I do. And it looks like it's done in cross stitch. How cute is that? And then some beautiful flowers. Oh my goodness, look at this coffee cup. I have my coffee right here. And look at this, it's one of those little carts, and it says tea time down here, and it has little pumpkins in it, which kind of also look like balls of yarn. So, and then this is her 2-year anniversary. Looks like a freebie. How cute is that? And these are all cut out the day of the week, and it's just foiled and just gorgeous. So these all match, which is just too cute. And then this is one of her kits. This is the Holly Jolly kit, and she makes them both for the Erin Condren and for the Happy Planner. I use the plum paper planner and they fit fine into that. And this is the numbers, and then it also has some words and some little flags like bill due, payday, to clean, happy mail, date night, me time, important to remember, rescheduled, to do, shopping, and then the dates are all die cut, and it's still this beautiful holly berries. And here is the washi. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, I am loving it. And then there's functional stickers down here. And there's 2 sheets of washi, so you don't have to separate these, just depending on where you put them for the date. Same with this. So this is 2 things of washi, so I can put this on the top, and then these go in the calendar stickers where there's not a day. Same with this. Gosh, that's just gorgeous. And then there's extra washi and some extra functionals. Oh, these kits are just to die for. And it's silver, just gorgeous. I don't know how December is, but I'm gonna have to make sure I pick a week that I can use this in totality or close to. And excuse me, actually I think this is her monthly. I think she sent me extras. That little sneak, I know she did. Because I'm like, this does not looking like what I remember. This is her monthly kit. Look at this. See? And you can use this for January, February, March, April, May, June, any of the months. This is her monthly kit. So that's why it's a little different from what I was used to. But same diff. This is what you do. You put these on the calendar. So if you used it for December or January or February or whatever month, you may not need every one of these. So I'm going to have to be careful and figure out which month I want to use these on, because these are gorgeous. And I'm going to definitely use these. Thank you so much for sending me extra. You're so sweet. And then this is also for the monthly. Now I might not use this in December, and I might actually wait and use this for January. Even though it's a little bit Christmassy, it's still winter enough that it doesn't have to be for December. And I love that with her monthly kits, how you can use it for any month. I mean, it's just super smart. And then, so here is the Fleur. This is, again, the Erin Condren. And this is beautiful rose gold. And look at this. Fall is here and has a cute fox and a bike. Umbrella with flowers. This is so pretty. So this is what I'm more used to. This is her washi and her check boxes or checklist. And her half boxes and quarter boxes. And here are her day of the week. They are the little umbrella with flowers in it. And so you just put the, and I will use these in a weekly plan with me. Excuse me, so you can see. But you just put whatever date it is in the box for the coordinating day of the week. Excuse me. And this is super cute with all of the functional stickers there. And same with these are headers. And then this one is full boxes and functionals and some decorative. And check boxes, which are too cute. So this is one kit, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 full pages and the dates. It is insane how much you get, and they're just beautiful. And the little second year anniversary matches these as well, so I could certainly use this for at least 2 weeks, maybe even more. I mean, it's crazy the amount of stickers she gives you. It's beautiful. It's wonderful, because then you don't feel like you're wasting money. This is another kit. What is this one called? Oh no, the name of it isn't on here, but I know that this is one of her new releases, and in my opinion this is a must-have. I think that this one is a Christmas one. I think this one maybe is called, I don't know, I thought this one was Holly Jolly when I saw the name, but I don't know what this one is. In the Woods or Through the Woods maybe, I don't remember. I don't want to tell you, but check it out. Poppy Willow Company, PoppyWillowCo.com. Check it out. It's going to be linked below. But look at how cute. I love the buffalo plaid, and I love animals of any kind, so that wolf is awesome. And I am kind of thinking this is Little Red Riding Hoodie because of the basket and the wolf. I could be wrong, but that's why I'm thinking In the Woods or something like that. I think that might be what it's called. And there's the little forest and the little log cabin, which is where I want to be every day. And here are the washi stickers for this. How beautiful. These flowers are just gorgeous. And these day of the week stickers, my goodness, she just really knows how to do a kit. I am not kidding. And most of them are super unique to her. I have seen some that other people have used too, but I can tell you that for the majority, hers are ones that I haven't seen anywhere else. Like so far, I haven't seen any of these anywhere else. These are the headers. And full boxes and functionals. And look at these check boxes. How adorable are those? And then in this one you get another weekend sticker, some washi, some cute, 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 cute. See, I think it's Little Red Riding Hoodie. Oh, the cabin, my gosh. And there's the little wolf. I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh, Be Still My Heart. Those are amazing. Those are so cute. And then here's another fall one that is just gorgeous. And she didn't put her name on this one either. I know she started doing that, so maybe it's just with the new ones that she's doing that. But look at how cute this is. And this is rose gold for sure. and it is gorgeous. This makes me excited to do my plan with me. I'm not kidding. I want to do it just because I want to use these stickers. I don't even know which set I'm going to use. Look at this with the cute, like, leopard print. This is so cute. This one doesn't seem to have as much foiling as some of the others. Now, this one and this one are definitely foiled to the hilt. But I think that this might be a kit that she had from last year. I could be wrong. I kind of remember it though, and it seems like maybe that's why there's not as much foiling, because she's gone to a little more foiling, including the foil of the day stickers, or the date stickers. Those aren't foiled in this kit, but they're still equally as beautiful. And look at this. Oh my goodness. I just love all of those decorative stickers. And then here is a kit called All Is Calm, I believe that's the name of this. And it is just gorgeous with Bethlehem and angel wings, and there's an angel. And this is gold, I believe. Gold foiled. And it is so pretty. Oh my goodness. And this is angels with stars. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. I don't know how you do this. Look at that washi. It's so lovely. And these are the half boxes and quarter boxes. And look at those day of the week stickers. So cute. Her headers, and this is a kind of a miscellaneous sheet with the functionals, and a check box with the dates. And then here is her decorative stickers that are just gorgeous. Look at that angel. Oh my goodness, and the tree. So, so pretty. And then I got also a countdown to Christmas, and she has a couple of these to choose from. And this one says Merry Christmas, and then it has 1 through, I think it has 1 through 31, which is kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, it has 1 through 31, so you can start using it a month ahead, which is awesome. I thought it only had 1 through 25. That is so cool. Okay, I'm like staring at it because it's gorgeous. So that is what I got. I hope that you guys will check her out because I think she does a marvelous job. And I know that right now she's having a sale, so keep your eye out for sales. I don't know when I'm going to be able to post this, if I'll get this up in time for you to see that she's having a sale, but I hope I am, so that you can go and check her out. And follow her on Instagram. That's where she posts all of her sale information. And then also, if you don't catch her on a sale, you can still get a sale price if you use my discount code, which is TT.Scraps, and it's listed below. So thanks so much, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.